guys.
Hi guys. I'm back from work.
Yeah.
Here with Reese now.
Yeah, I'm here. And we're making a cake. Okay, you need to get a cup of water.
What?
I can open this. Oh, we're gonna have to wipe that up. What? Ta-da! I always ate this as a kid.
Me too.
Oh, sorry. How dare you? I hope I'm doing this right. We haven't. We need to preheat the oven
To
to 350. This is really easy to mix it. Half cup. Just do half of that cup.
It has a line.
Oh, it does? That's so handy. Now it looks good.
We're really not nasty.
Oh, it tastes so good. I love cake batter.
Oh wow, that looks like a lot more dough now.
Yeah.
It is.
We're pouring it in the pan. Yeah, it's a pan, right?
Yeah.
I hope we have enough batter.
We like run out.
Nice.
We made it. The cake's done.
I still have my glasses. Smells so good.
Do it?
Yeah, just
Oh yeah, that's ready.
I think you gotta make them really light though, cause like they'll be cuter when they're like pastel.
How many colors are we getting? 4? Good.
And we can like patch that.
But we're doing good.
Is it still like?
Just to do like the rainbows up here. We should do like Christmas, like a rainbow up here, rainbow down there.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we switched cameras.
We're about time. Like ice. Cover the okay. Cover the hole in our cake. Well, one of the holes. That's the other hole.
This is our first layer.
First layer.
One hour later.
You'll have to get on YouTube and see what all she's done up there. It's funny.
You know,
Yeah,
Ashton, when she was your age, she had a YouTube. She
Really?
still has it.
What is it called?
Yeah.
Because
I
her
can
first
send you
name's
the link.
Virginia.
It seems like
Oh, you know what? Kristen did that home. She was going to do virtual
Oh, yeah.
through Charlottesville.
Yeah.
And then they found out
So
right
cute,
before school
guys.
started
Look.
Yeah.
they wouldn't let her be on the volleyball team. And that Leah was led to
You
believe
can
it
barely see it, but it's right.
because she was in virtual.
And
And
it's
it might be that they were
adorable.
going to make him wait.
Okay, guys, we finished.
This is our finished cake.
And it's really annoying the video on this because you can't flip
Yeah,
it.
you can't flip it. Ta-da! It looks kind of like a donut.
Yeah, there's sprinkles and cute little rainbows. So this is what we were trying to make.
Yeah.
This is what we made.
I think we did actually really good.
Me too. I think it's really good.